The Michigan Attorney General testifying today in front of a committee in Lansing, saying we should be ashamed of how we treat the elderly in our state. Dana Nessel and members of the Elder Abuse Task Force are trying to get the laws changed to improve Michigan's flawed guardianship system, that same system that 7 investigator Heather Catallo has been exposing for years.
Today's testimony in Lansing was just one of the first steps in getting these bills in front of the legislature and eventually the governor.
We should be ashamed at how we treat the elderly in this state.
Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel telling the State House Judiciary Committee that adult guardianship reforms are not just a good idea, they're a moral imperative.
We must remember that guardianships and conservatorships can and do ruin lives. Prisoners, convicted murderers, retain more rights than a person under a guardianship.
The 7 investigators have been exposing problems in the state's guardianship system for 4 years.
They took my mom before I knew it. I just want my parents back.
Nessel even cited our story about Marcy Mitchell's parents, who were separated from their loved ones by a professional guardian back in 2019.
The legislation before you today addresses the problems we saw in this case.
When you're declared mentally incapacitated by the probate courts and placed under guardianship, you can no longer make your own medical, financial, or legal decisions.
We do not serve to denigrate those who do the sometimes thankless job of serving as guardians, but we do want a more transparent guardianship system here in Michigan.
The new legislation created by the Attorney General's Elder Abuse Task Force will make it harder for professional guardians to isolate vulnerable adults or cash in on their estates.
Sometimes we see guardians who misuse resident funds or who won't provide residents with the most basic things like underwear or consent for medical treatment.
The 4 new bills would change several things, including giving judges more rules to follow to make sure family members get to serve as a guardian instead of a stranger, and requiring more medical documentation before declaring someone incapacitated.
Under this bill, a court may dismiss a proceeding if it cannot be shown by clear and convincing evidence that the individual is an incapacitated individual.
They just improve transparency by making sure everybody knows, again, what the rules are.
The Michigan Probate Judges Association isn't thrilled with all of the changes, but say they're working with the task force to keep tweaking the legislation.
There are, however, some provisions that we see as problematic to the court process.
Committee members say they will continue to hold hearings and work on the bills over the summer. I'm Heather Catallo, 7 Action News.